things are happening.
Right, so they have started the concrete. They're sort of pouring it over there. What stops concrete drying in the factory? Like
Water.
water.
Yeah. So what they do is you have your cement, your sand, and your aggregate. Concrete's 3 parts.
Okay.
So basically, it's mixed together, and then they pump water and they mix it up, so it turns into a slurry. You have a certain amount of time to work with it until it dries. Typically, in the summer, you're limited to about maybe 45 minutes to get it to the job before it starts setting up. If it's what's called flashing, it gets too hot,
Okay.
it will actually like start setting up and you can't work with it. But then there's all different types of additives you can put with it. You can put accelerators in it like you do in the wintertime to help it cure faster. You can put retarders in it to keep it from curing up. So there's all kinds of chemicals you can put with it to control the mix.
So when will this be dry enough to walk on?
This afternoon.
Really? You just go like that and then use a shovel to make it all nice and flat. Oh no, use a board. There are a lot of people in our back garden. And that's a good thing. This is our concrete truck. The pipes are making a whooshing sound because they're starting to pour more concrete over there. That's looking really nice. They've smoothed it all out. That's looking great. So the concrete is done. This was wet a few hours ago, so I'm hoping. Well, they said that it would be okay in the afternoon, and this is sort of the afternoon, isn't it? So that is dry, I think. Yes, that's dry. Oh, is that dry? Yes, that's dry. No, that's not dry. It's dry. This is concrete. It's good. This is so nearly done. So nearly done. They just need to do a bit more.